Hello students, today we are going to study the poem Lavanium Top. Lavanium Top is only written by the Ted Hughes. Ted Hughes is only describing about the tree which is there. It is it having a shorter tree having hanging branches and yellow flowers and poisonous seed and gold. They see that we can see that the Lavanian top of the silent and quiet well and afternoon yellow September sunlight, a few leaves yellow, all its seeds fallen. Okay, during some days we can see that the leaves are already fallen down during the time of the winter season and other summer season also. You see that the labanium tree, it is R is silent there when we are pronouncing labanium tree. Labanium top means it is a tree, small tree with which having a hanging branches. जो नीचे की तरफ hanging करा हुआ branches वाला एक tree है. It having yellow flower and poisonous seed etc. That is called the Lavanium tree. Lavanium tree is a tree which we can see there in yellowish leaves, yellowish flowers, and the tree which having a hanging branches and the having poisonous trees, seeds, etc. Okay, so the Lavanian top is a silent, quiet, chill, and afternoon yellow September and sunlight, a few leaves for yellowish and seed is fallen. All its seed is already fallen. At the same time, that trees is only having its own beauty, and the poet is only telling that Labanium tree is leaves become yellow and seed has also fallen, and Lavanium tree looks yellow till the September afternoon shines. Sunshine में सितंबर में आफ्टरनून तक उसका लीव्स सब शाइनिंग होता है. इट इज़ लुक लाइक ए समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा and the burns of the activities when the goldfish arrives. Goldfinch is a bird, a small bird. Goldfinch is a small bird. The first three lines is already giving the importance of the Lavanium tree. And till the goldfinch comes with the stitching strip and suddenness of the startlement and the branch ascent. It seeks to the lizard and the alert and uproot and enter the thickness and the matches start up and the chitterings and the timbre of wings and trilling the whole tree trembles in the trills. The engine of the family and took the full of its fires out of the branches and showing the beard face of identity mask. Okay, we can see that the poet is telling that whenever that evening, you know that the poet is already giving the first three lines of the poem impress upon the readers and stillness of the Lavanium tree. Lavanium ट्री का स्टिलनेस है, शांति से खड़ा रहता है. ओके, हिलते नहीं है, जैसे खड़ा रहते है. इसको पोएट रीडर्स को इम्प्रेस करने के लिए फर्स्ट थ्री लाइन्स बोला. ए स्मॉल goldfinch comes in the tree breast and the moment of the sound. When that small goldfinch means a small yellowish fish birds will come. That birds is already making the sound, and then due to the sound only there is some moment getting happy. And the bird's family loads and thickness of the tree, and the goldfinch entered the tree. Thickness of the feet are young one of the flies away. Okay, छोटा छोटा और फ्लाइज ये बेड से सब कुछ फ्लाई हो जाता है उधर से, ये आके बैठने से. आफ्टर दैट द ट्री बिकम साइलेंट अगेन, देन द बर्ड इज फ्लाई अवे. ये ट्री में ये छोटा सा गोल्ड फिंच आए तो इसमें गोल्ड फिंच आने से उसको थोड़ी देर के लिए साउंड आएगा. वेन एवर इट इज़ फ्लाई अवे, दैट टाइम दैट अगेन दैट बर्ड ट्री विल बी साइलेंट. सो this poet has used to imaginary sound of the moment and the tree coming alive. ट्री को एक जीवन मिलना है और ऐसे कुछ मिलना है तो ये कम से कम एक ये गोल्ड पिंच आना चाहिए. ये पोएट का इमेजिनरी यूज से पोएट इमेजिन करता है. ऐसे करने से ही इनका अगर तो this tree is silent, 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 stillness, stillness, stillness at any times. The poet is only showing the Ted Hughes is only giving the natural beauties of that plants, and he is also a greatest English poet, as well as he is only giving the mood of the stillness at the स्क्रीनिटी ऑफ द स्टिलनेस. ये स्टिलनेस है, साइलेंस का एक इम्पोर्टेंस का बोलता है. हमको बोले साउंड मेकिंग इज़ हार्मफुल फॉर आवर एनर्जी, body and mind too. Okay, so in that time we are already thinking silence is golden. साइलेंस शांति से रहे तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, वही ये बात है. तो पोएट इज ऑलरेडी गिविंग दैट Labanium tree silent and quiet, leaves are yellowing and the seeds are fallen, but stand in the yellow September up to till September का आफ्टरनून तक ये ब्रांचेस बहुत yellowish seeds and leaves etc. we can see, but all the goldfinch enter it, the Labanian tree with the quiet. It is not young birds will come. It is a relevant line to birds engine of her family, and she talks it full. Then it will coming. Then it will, that plant's leaves is already getting some moment. That moment is already making that it is that bird that is engine of her फैमिली. ये फैमिली का एक इंजन टाइप का है, क्योंकि इसको थोड़ा खुशी आते रहता है, सब साउंड आता है. स्टॉक ऑफ फुल ऑफ इट, इट इज़ ऑलरेडी मूविंग समथिंग. देयर वाज ए साउंड activities moment when the bird come in that plants. When the bird that goldfinch is coming, that time only the plenty of creeping sound, birds making some sound, and he went the feedback chicks and whole tree seemed to be vibrate and fluttering the wings, and still sound was a tricks. इसका sound इनका जो सब कुछ ये ट्री को मोमेंटेशन देता है, उसके बाद वो फ्लाई अवे. देन इट इज़ ऑलरेडी साइलेंट अगेन. इट विल साइलेंट एंड द एम्प्टी बिफोर आफ्टर द बर्ड विजिट. द बर्ड दैट goldfinch will coming visiting and entering that trees, that time before and after it is a silent. Otherwise it is having some moment. This bird coming, there's a sound of creeping, fluttering of the wings, and their tree become alive. Okay, जब ट्री जिंदा रहता है मतलब वो बर्ड्स आना पड़ता है. बर्ड्स आने से उनका वो फीडिंग के टाइम पर वो बहुत चिक्स साउंड क्रिप साउंड बनाएंगे, और विंग्स का फ्लटरिंग से वाइब्रेशन हो जाता है. ऐसे ऐसे ट्री बहुत साइलेंट से ज़्यादा काम मोमेंट होता है. बट ट्री साइलेंट स्टिल द एम्प्टी बिफोर एंड आफ्टर द बर्ड विजिट. दैट बर्ड विल कमिंग एंड सिट ऑन इट. देन इट विल ऑलरेडी मूव, and the sound of the wings of the birds will already making the some moment there, and that when it will fly away, then it is already silent again. And the bird moment has been compared to the lizard, and the moment smooth and clean like a lizards. Okay, some हमको बता सकता है कि ये मोमेंट बहुत अच्छा है. The image of the engine has been evoked in the poet and laburnum top of the strings and laburnum sound of the engine have been goldfish ended that the thick leaves of cover it in the laburnum tree and feed there the chicks. Small chicks को खाने की वजह से उसको laburnum tree में थोड़ा साउंड आएगा, birds का wings से साउंड आएगा. ऐसे that is called the bird is called the energy of the family. Or tree is silent before and after goldfinch will come, and then finch is also become a silent, and after this slept again it will come silent, and then poet is only again telling that this is the poet is only laburnum trees is which is still and silent losing the leaves. उसका leaves lose होने की वजह से भी ये साइलेंट रहता है, हो हिलते जुलते नहीं. The burst into the life of when the goldfinch come to the feed of the chicks after the departure and they become empty and silent. ये birds goldfinch will coming and sitting that time also sometimes wait साउंड मिलता है अगर तो उसके बाद वो empty and silent है और उसमें कोई भी साउंड नहीं है. The life of the life and the energy of the word brings the tree most attractive feature of the poems. Okay, the poet is only telling that if all the living beings are there, then only, or the birds, animals and all the things is there together, then only that life is become energy of the nature, and then birds bringing the trees moment attractive and feature of the पोएम टू. मतलब पोएम बहुत अट्रैक्टिव कब आते हैं जो birds आकर ये laburnum ट्री में बैठने से है. ये सिंपल पोएम है लेकिन आपको बर्ड डीप मीनिंग भी है और इसको आप लोगों को अच्छे से तैयार करके रीड करके पढ़ना है. क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप का ज़्यादा याद करना है, इसलिए आप लोगों को इसका क्वेश्चन आंसर सब कुछ मैं भेज दूँगा. ओके, हैव ए नाइस डे, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. ओके.